Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I am Varun Lamba, your personality development and soft skill trainer. Self esteem is an individual's subjective evaluation of their own worth. Self esteem encompasses beliefs about oneself as well as emotional states such as triumph, despair, pride, shame. Self esteem is the positive or negative evaluation of the self as in how we feel about it. Let's understand concept of self-esteem and how to build a healthy self-esteem. Keep watching. Our self-esteem develops and evolves throughout our lives as we build an image of ourselves through our experiences with different people and activities. Experiences during our childhood play a particular large role in the shaping of our basic self-esteem. When we were growing up, our successes, failures, and how we were treated by the members of our immediate family, by our teachers, coaches, religious authorities, and by your peers all contributed to the creation of our basic self esteem. Self esteem is largely developed during childhood. People with poor self esteem often rely on how they are doing in the present to determine how they feel about themselves. They need positive external experiences to counteract the negative feelings and thoughts that constantly plague them. Even then, the good feelings can be temporary. Healthy self esteem is based on our ability to assess ourselves accurately and still be able to accept and to value ourselves unconditionally. This means being able to realistically acknowledge our strengths and limitations and at the same time accepting ourselves as worthy and worthwhile without conditions or reservations. People with low self esteem are fairly harsh with themselves. For example, a person with low self esteem will have a contemplation talk with oneself like, people said they liked my work, but it was nowhere near as good as it should have been. I can't believe no one noticed all the places I messed up. At this time, rebuild yourself with reassurances like, are they really liked it? Maybe it was not perfect, but I worked hard on that work and did a great job. I am proud of myself. Second tendency of people with low self-esteem is to generalize unrealistic incident with their own personality. For example, I got an F in the test. I don't understand anything in this class. I am such an idiot. Whom am I fooling? I should not be taking this class. I am stupid and I don't belong in college. Whereas, at this time, rebuild your thought process with more specific statements like, I did poorly on this one test, but I have done okay on all the homework. There are some things here that I don't understand as well as I thought I did, but I can do the material I have done fine in other classes that were just as tough. People with low self esteem catastrophize any incident which did not go as planned. For example, my colleague did not talk properly with me today. I am so embarrassed and humiliated. No one likes and cares about me. Instead, look at that incident more objectively. For example, in that same incident, one say, oh, my colleague might not be in a good mood, instead of criticizing oneself. Before you begin to improve self esteem, you must first believe that you can change it. Change does not necessarily happen quickly or easily, but it can happen. You are not powerless. Once you have accepted or at least willing to entertain the possibility that you are not powerless, there are three steps you can take to begin to change your self esteem. I hope you find this video helpful to make your life better than before. Thank you.